Greetings everyone, and welcome to this new video on reporting for the one sample t-test. After obtaining our initial results and plotting graphs, we are now ready to report our results. To do that in JASP, you can simply select on this drop down option and select on this option to add a note. To keep this video short, I have pre-written the report. One sample t-test was run to determine whether an excess caloric intake of 1,000 calories per day in recruited subjects was different to normal, which we have defined as an increase in weight of 16 pounds over 8 weeks. So data for weight gain was normally distributed, as we can see, as assessed by the Shapiro-Wilk test with a p-value of more than 0.05. And there were no outliers in this data as assessed by inspection of this Ringler plot. The mean weight gain was 10.409 pounds with a standard deviation of 3.841 pounds. And this was lower than the normal weight gain of 16 pounds, which we can see here to be 5.591 pounds, with a 95% confidence interval ranging from 3.545 to 7.638, with a t-statistic of minus 5.823 with 15 degrees of freedom and a p-value of less than 0.001. So we can state that there was a statistically significant difference between means with a p-value of less than 0.001 and a Cohen's d of 1.456, which is a large effect size. Therefore, we can reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis. So that's it for this video and this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.